Hey guys, welcome to Khong Driving. So in our last video, we talked about what oils to use in our cars. And today, we're going to try out this fully synthetic Shell Helix Protect 0W30 oil in my Honda BRV. Just to recap some of the myths that I had dispelled in my previous video. Thicker oils offer better protection and 0W oils are not suitable for engines of older cars, especially those that are out of warranty between 5 and 10 years. Not true. In fact, 0W oils offer better cold start protection as they can flow faster to protect critical engine parts. They can also be used in both new and older cars. 0W oils evaporate quickly at high temperatures. Not true. A good 0W oil like this Shell Helix Protect 0W30 with Pure Plus technology, a 99.5% pure base oil made from natural gas, remains stable and does not evaporate much even in extreme temperatures due to its super strong molecular bonds. If your vehicle specifies a 5W or 10W oil, you can switch to a 0W oil with no issues, as Shell Helix oils are backward compatible with 5W and 10Ws. As long as the back number matches, you will be fine. 0W oils also benefit in terms of cold start protection and fuel economy versus 5Ws or 10Ws. Now I'm going to put the Shell Helix Protect 0W30 to test in my 4-year-old Honda BRV. Previously, I used a 5W30 oil. With Shell Helix's Pure Plus technology, a unique gas to liquid technology that ensures the base oil is 99.5% pure, this Shell Helix Protect is possibly the best oil you can get for your car if you want protection. Okay, we're going to start the engine. Wow, it's already smoother, man. Hello again, guys. Welcome back. I use this Honda BRV as a general runabout to go to market and also to attend media events all over town. So let's see how it performs when caught in Klang Valley's infamous stop-start traffic conditions. To smash the myth that 0W oils are not suitable for older cars and cars out of warranty, I've put the Shell Helix Protect 0W30 into this 4-year-old Honda BRV. We also know that 0W oils also help during startup by allowing faster circulation of the oil for fast lubrication to protect crucial engine parts. And because the 99.5% pure base oil is derived from natural gas, the oil does not degrade easily even under extreme operating conditions. In addition, Shell Helix Protect 0W30 helps to clean out sludge and deposits that tend to build up in older engines. We are in the Taman Mega area and I use this road a lot in my daily travel because I come here to buy food and also buy stuff for my family quite often. And this place is famous for its traffic congestion. If you have the wrong oil in your car, there are some short-term and long-term consequences. In the short term, you may get roughness in your engine, and this is because the oil breaks down very easily under these extreme conditions. And because it breaks down, it doesn't lubricate properly. And when it doesn't lubricate properly, your engine becomes very rough. That means there are things that are being worn down. And as a consequence of that, you will get maybe your engine is rough, it doesn't idle well, or you may get your fuel consumption going up. You may not measure it, but then you'll be wondering why your 50 ringgit of petrol doesn't seem to last as long as it used to. Yeah, that's because the additional friction in the car uses up more of the fuel in order to keep the engine running. Your idling may be rough, because well, it's just not lubricating properly. So in the long term, you may end up with a shortened engine life. No, your car is not going to explode just because you use the wrong oil. But because of the poor lubrication, the wear and tear in the engine becomes heavier, and in the end, your engine doesn't last as long. In other words, you end up paying for repairs much sooner than your neighbor who is using the better oil. Okay, so we've had this Shell Helix Protect 0W30 oil in our engine for about a week now, and here are some of my observations. First of all, the engine seems to run quieter. So overall quietness in the cabin is improved. And the second thing I noticed is the engine is also very smooth. So it feels very nice to drive, yeah. The other thing is when I lift off, I find that the car glides even better. That's because of less resistance in the engine. And of course, acceleration has improved. Overall, the car feels so much better. That's because the base oil for this Shell Helix Protect 0W30 is made from natural gas, and therefore is more stable and able to withstand all the stressful conditions on the road. Yes, no regrets using this oil in my car. So guys, that concludes our oil test for the Shell Helix Protect 0W30 oil in my Honda BRV. It's passed with flying colors. In conclusion, if you are ready to try a 0W oil for your car, you might as well choose a trusted and superior quality one, such as the Shell Helix Power 0W40 or the Shell Helix Protect 0W30. It is simply born better with Shell Pure Plus technology, a one-of-its-kind 99.5% pure base oil made from natural gas. You've seen how my 4-year-old BRV has benefited from using a good 0W oil. If you're keen to try it out, simply click on the link below to find the nearest Shell authorized workshops that carry Shell Helix Power 0W40 and Shell Helix Protect 0W30. Alright guys, till we meet again in our next video. Bye bye!